Alright, guys, real quick. Um, I'm gonna cover Bitcoin. Nasdaq still doing what I expected to do. Just bullshit around this area right here. While the mark just to buy time, wait in the same area for the final data. And again, it's gonna wait right here, close right in this area. We're either gonna have a drop down throughout the night, then pick up in the morning, or we're gonna steady keep on rising throughout the night again, or have some sort of rejection of the peak right here, come back down, retrace on down, and then bottom in the morning as the market opens. Anticipation, either go back in this area, shoot up again, or or break down, create support in this area right here. Or break it. Then your final area would be to create support, some sort of cushion would be right here, and then go back up. But seeing how the good data has been, seeing how the Fed said what they said, the market still sustaining this area right here, the position and everything, makes me believe with this final one, it's either gonna retrace it down, but then create support here, and again end up closing the week either here or above, or we're gonna sustain this region, create support here, go back up, and then shoot back up and create an all-time high. But that's till later. I'm gonna go to Bitcoin real quick. I mentioned. I'm gonna show you guys what I mentioned about Bitcoin. I said in the next 12 hours, right? 12 to 15, 12 hours. Bitcoin was gonna start dropping, especially if it's staying in the same area. Was it right here we're talking about? Wednesday, right? Yeah. 4 hour candle, 3 hour candle. Candle. There you go. It was blue, not gray. So it's 8 hour candle. So this 8 hour candle right here was telling me everything. It was telling me, hey, we're about to drop. Are we gonna save us? We're gonna save ourselves one more time. Or that's what I was trying to say yesterday too. This is our, and that's why I said 12 to 15, because um, either the 12 hour candle needs to close, which was last night at 6 in the morning, 5 in the morning, or what is it, 6 in the morning? Either way, whatever, 5 in the morning, really 5 in the morning. So 5 in the morning, it was the 12 hour candle to close, or your daily candle, which is at 5 p.m. Either or, one of those two, you need to close above that. If you can go above your 12 hour candle, you definitely need to go in this fucking last 12 hour candle right here. That's why I said 12 to 15 hours. The time to pay attention for Bitcoin would be around 2:45 to 3:30 for the to see if it finally was gonna do it, whether it be going up or down. So now we're gonna go in to the 4 hour candle. Alright, so this right here, okay, 4 hour candle. Alright, so let's go. So we have 11 in the morning, giving you your first warning. This was your first warning, the one that I gave you guys. Later on in the morning. So look, we closed at 5 in the morning. 5 in the morning, we closed right inside, which was bad. You don't want to close a 4 hour candle, especially a daily. I'm pretty sure the daily. Yeah, see the day. So the day ended up closing right here, which is good, but it's bad because at the same time it was the same where the 8 hours candle were forming. So the fact that we had a day shoot below this daily right here was your first bad sign. And that's the area that I told you guys to pay attention to, because at that time when Ethereum was about to break this, and Bitcoin was about to break this area, Bitcoin was up here, Ethereum was down here. That's what I said. Hey, when Bitcoin, if Ethereum breaks this area right here and it goes down, it's gonna bring Bitcoin down to this area right here, And as Ethereum keeps then dropping after that down more, then it's gonna bring Bitcoin really down and break that area. Now this was the next area you didn't fucking want to be inside of, and that's why I said yesterday, hey, 12 to 15, and if we can't get out of here, and we go, and if we can't get out of here, and shoot above this monthly, there's this monthly right here that's very important. You go to your monthly candle. This right here, this was your fucking goal for the day. I mean, for the week, especially after doing this breakdown. I mean, this fall down last night or today, whenever it was. Like we for sure now. But I'm seeing something that I don't like. We for sure now needed first of all to hold this area right here, and after that it was this one right here. And I put this box because inside the square it was really important to hold because we wanted this box to create support and go back up. After that, now you got this box, which is what you want to hold, and I'll explain why. And then finally you got, what is it? It doesn't have a box for this. There should be. Well, I'm gonna make one now. Shit, there isn't shit. Alright, that's a monthly, no, that's a weekly. The week is all over the place. Monthly, let me see. There ain't no monthly, just damn. So there's no other really strong support after this blue line right here. Look, so we have this weekly from here. After that we got this one right here. So this area is like your last hope for Bitcoin to really hold. Besides that, it doesn't really have a strong support. It only has maybe 12-hour candles support, which is alright still, but that's not what you really want. See there, because here's the end of the support. We break this, we got no support. This indicates telling you, hey, where's the cushions at? Where's the cushions at for Bitcoin to sustain and then go back up? So this is your bottom. If we break this bottom right here, we're really gonna start going bottom, breaking this, and this is gonna be your final cushion before we really start going, because then we'll start breaking the 50s, and then so. Anyways, we need to make a move ASAPable. This by so look, I'm gonna break something down real quick too in Bitcoin. So right here, right, we go on to the dailies. Go left. You see this wick right here? You see these candles right here? That's what I was looking earlier. I was like, all right, cool. We're coming to the support region that we did back in May. So we need to hold this cushion right here and continue up this box, which is this box right here. You see these candles? You see it came down, create support here in this region, and then went back up. So when I was looking at this, the Bitcoin was right here. It's like, yo, we need to hold this. If we break this, we're gonna fucking fall right now. So then you go on to your 12-hour candle. Notice how when it comes down, where it stopped, right underneath it. Why? So it can give you that, holy shit, we broke this monthly. Let's start going down, because what's gonna happen then? It's gonna test it. That box was your area to create a support, get trapped inside that box, and then to shoot back up, just like it did right here. You see how close, like, run the monthly? So that's what you wanted this candle to act like. As you can see, it didn't smash through it, so that was your fucking red flag right there, whatnot. And then you go to your 8 hour candle. Wrong one. So anyway, yeah. So it got inside right here. When you're watching this, this was already telling me red flags, because what you wanted this 8 hour candle to close inside of it, not through it, not through it. You wanted to watch 4 hour candle. Yeah, that was all bad. That was all bad. Notice how it shoots below the weekly, before this cushion area, which was your support, act like support to go back up. It goes below that and just gets traps here. Look, just trap, trap, trap. That was fucking bad right there. I'm pretty sure it's a box too right there at some point. Watch. Box, no box, no box. Okay. That's pretty much a box. That's pretty much a box area right there. So anyways, the fact that I was doing this, getting stuck right here, it's like, no, you don't want that. What you want it to come down here, be bullshitting, taking your time, watch 1 hour candle. So you see how it closed right here, try one more time, rejection. This right here, this was your selling point right here. This form right here. So then again, it should come down here and just bullshit above it, not this. Come below it, doing all this. Well, there was already red flag right here, all this shit. What you wanted was to be bullshit right here. So anyways, what time is that? That's 1 o'clock. Wednesday 18. See, 6 o'clock. And I think we do close on the day at 6 o'clock. I'm not sure, 6 or 5. So that's why you pay attention before around 2:45, 3:30 to see how it's looking. So the fact that around the time it started dropping, doing this, that's what you don't want. You don't want that. You want to hold this area, especially around this time, to be up here, to have this. Oh shit, we're gonna shoot them up and go back to da. That's what you wanted. This right here was just telling you, oh shit, we're about to go down, you guys. We're about to watch out, pay attention. And then this right here too. This right here too. And then the fact that it was hanging in this area, which was the last area where Bitcoin, actually no, not the last area. This was the last area here. So the fact that we broke that, that's all screaming red flags. Watch even Ethereum. Wednesday. So see this right here? Again, they did the same pattern as Bitcoin. If I could fucking put them side by side, it was the area where, hey, it did watch. It did the same thing. This is your look at Bitcoin. Okay. Look, see right there. Look. Someone take a look at this. Thank you guys. Alright, look at that. This was our trend line. This was where we were yesterday. Holding this was. Damn, I need to fucking. My bad for cussing you guys. So look. This was the area that we need to hold for Bitcoin to go back up. This was a trend line that we broke. Alright? And we need to break this monthly to go back into here, to go into happy land, to go into, oh fuck yeah, we're still gonna go back up, blah blah blah. That's why I said hella F right here. The moment we were doing this and started going back down, was the same time, the same pattern, same shit, Ethereum was looking. Look at the time. Watch. Wednesday 3rd, 12 o'clock. Wednesday 3rd, 12 o'clock. And it looks like this right here, or looks like this right here, one of those two. Watch. Wednesday, 3, 12 o'clock. Same pattern, everything. Same situation, everything. We're gonna be safe. We are fucked. So we need to go above here to feel safe, to feel good, to feel okay. The market's gonna go back up. The moment I started doing this and went to here, doing on that, same shit with Bitcoin, everything. So you see how they're correlated. How these boxes help a lot. So the moment I was doing all this was fuck. You're sheer fuck from there. You're fucked. Now right here was the area where Bitcoin was holding in that weekly in that box that said that it just shut down. It was this move right here. It's this move or this move in Ethereum. Watch. Thursday 4/16. Thursday 4/16. Thursday 4/16. See? Right here. This is what we need to hold right here. Broke that, started going down from here. So you see how correlated, how synchronized they are, whatnot. This right here is telling me we're gonna keep on dumping. Let me go to my forward candle. This right here is telling me we're gonna keep on dumping, guys. Why is this a daily 12-hour candle actually? So look, Bitcoin shot on up. We never came down, right? We came down here. So let's go to the weekly. And now next, we have some strong areas right here. So when we fall, this is our last chance to have right here. This is our last cushion. This is our last stop, if you want to say whatnot, for Bitcoin to slow it down like this monthly. It's supposed to act like a resistance. It breaks this resistance. We don't really have no. Our last hope is gonna be these weeklies right here. After that, it's gonna be this. So we really don't have shit. Like we need to maintain this 54 area. Because once we break this 50 area, we really like just breaking this. Where you're gonna start hearing, or you've been probably hearing by now, because of the Fed. It started with the Fed, whatever the Fed said. The Fed said something about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, that made the market start going back down. Yeah, see, the boxes go along with the indicator. We break this area. You really need to be paying attention to your Bitcoin. After that, we're gonna have this right here. So, all right, daily. We already closed the daily right here. We're starting a new one. We want to hold this box right here. So I'm gonna change colors to red. This shit right here, I don't know why I put that. Let me see. It's supposed to be. So see, this is, you see how affecting how the candles are stopping right there and whatnot. That's because if you look at also the drop that we had, that's where it stopped too, and we're recuperating around here. So that's what we want right now. This is what we want right now. We want to hold this box, you guys. This box point right here, and by that box I mean this. You can, it's actually a box. All right, there's the next box down here. We want to hold the box, so then we're gonna hold to the 12-hour candle. Okay, we still got more, and then we go to 1-hour candle. This is looking bad. This is looking bad. This is looking bad. We're gonna keep dropping, you guys. What time is it? 8. We close a 4 candle at 9. At 9, and we put on 6, 4 candle. Yeah, so we got 2 hours. We're halfway there. So this is the weak point. This is the weak area, and the fact that we have it. And by weak area, I mean in between 84 hours, you're gonna have that center area that's gonna be weak, your turn point, you're really where it's gonna end up going the rest of the 4 candle, or what's gonna head onto. You have to a 15-minute count. Yeah, see, indicators tell me, that's what I fucking see too. Indicators tell me, hey, that's your entry, these are your targets. But buddy, it's too. How can I say this? It's too easy to see that. It's too easy. It's too easy. It's too easy. It's too easy of a setup. So I feel like that's a setup right there, especially because the market knows that um, that it needs to close. It closed on Sunday. So like I was saying yesterday, it's either gonna try to make today's gonna be the last area to stop right here. From here, start going on up. Friday closing inside here or above, and then Saturday, Sunday to recuperate the big fall that we have right now. Or if we break this, we're gonna end up. I want to say I'm hoping that we're gonna 1 hour candle. I'll bring it all the way down here. So I'm hoping that if we break in here, we're gonna create support and then go back up. Close here on Friday, try to go up Saturday and Sunday type of thing. Otherwise, what the Fed said and what's going around right now, it's really scaring people. And normally when this happens is because it's gonna get ready to create a bottom to then go back up again. Because it's really interesting how the regular market is pumping like a motherfucker, and Bitcoin's falling. Where normally when the market is scarce or whatnot, they tend to go to Bitcoin for scarcity, for hey, the dollar's going weak, whatnot, or the dollar is getting some sort of strength that. And it's weird. It's a weird. Let me see the dollar real quick. Yeah, the dollar has been going down, so that makes sense. Also, why people would drop their Bitcoin or whatever too, because the dollar's looking real bad. I thought the dollar was looking pushing it up or something. Let me see. God damn. Yeah, the dollar is doing bad. And it's fucking in an area that you don't want it to be. Inside that box right there. Inside his box right here. Because if you can see right here, this is your cushion, just like Bitcoin. This is your cushion. You see how it went up and the dollar creates support here? And then same as Bitcoin right now, you see that hill that it does, test again, and then comes back down the same area. After it does that, breaks. That's what you never want that. So the fact that broke that, it creates now resistance right here. It's testing the support, failed, testing the support, failed, testing the support, master it, whatever. After that, okay, now we're in the same area again. So that's looking bad. So it doesn't make sense why Bitcoin's going down when the dollar's going down, because people tend to go to Bitcoin for safety when we're having shit like that. So look, see, this is the one area that I was watching. We went up. We tested this area right here, and then we were back here, tested again, and we broke it. But this is the main one. This is the main one. After we go up, this is the main support. So that's what I'm saying. We break this, we're gonna start going back down. Otherwise, we're gonna stop right here, and then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we're gonna try to create support and do the same thing right here. Otherwise, we're gonna do maybe a fake down throughout the night, and then come back Friday, close Friday up here. Otherwise, if we close Friday inside that box I just mentioned that we don't want to go inside of, we're gonna get stuck there and then possibly end up going down. Well, that's gonna be your fake drop down, create support there, and then try to make it up Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's plainly what it's gonna do. That's when you break it down to what, see, like the hill, that drop, and then that hill that it goes down. That's why you don't want that. So that's why we need to hold this box. That's why that's important to hold this box. Otherwise, you're gonna see Bitcoin, Ethereum start dropping now. So in the next 12 hours, 12 to 15, we need to hold this area. 12 to 15, but especially then in the next Yeah, in the next what is it? 7 hours at 1 in the morning. So we want this to hold this area by 1 in the morning. If it doesn't, 1 in the morning is gonna be in this area right here. So then you want this 12-hour candle. That's bad because that'll be a 12-hour candle closing. Or not. We close the 12-hour candle at 5. So it will be like your warning. Hey, it's 1 in the morning and we're inside this box and we close the 12-hour candle at 5. So that's when you really want to be paying attention to. If we are still here at 1 in the morning, then good. Then we have the possibility at closing 12-hour candle here, and then create support here and try one more times Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, closing the fucking week above here, or closing the week below. Yeah, so it's looking at you guys. So that's why in the next 7 hours is really important, but in general, the next 12 hours are very fucking vital to Bitcoin. Alright? And Pete, it's very volatile to Bitcoin. We could possibly keep dropping the next 7 hours, especially how we're looking right now. We don't want to close this forward candle, which is close at 9, inside or below this box. We wanted to shoot out of there, or actually, we do want it to close inside here. That way, the last forward candles. No, it's not the last forward candle. 9, because that's 9 to 1, and then it's 9 and 1 to 5, I believe. So we're gonna have 2 forward candles after 9 p.m. So those last two forward candles are very important. So from here on to 1, we want to hold this area. I'm pretty much repeating the same shit after this point. So I'm gonna let you guys go. The Nasdaq again is gonna buy time there until the market closes. It's looking healthy. Our market's looking healthy.